Rightio, so in this video I'll be hiking to the top of Victoria's highest mountain, Mt BOGONG. I drove you late Arvo yesterday and camped at the Mountain Creek campground, which is where I just commenced the hike from this morning. So I'm heading up the Eskdale spur track. It's going to be about a 20k return hike, can take up to 8 to 11 hours, and the elevation is going to be 1986 meters. So I'm pretty excited to see the view from up there. Let's get into it. So that's the track up the staircase trailhead, which I think I'm going to come down. But for now, heading to the Eskdale spur track. Right, I'm 4k's in and I'm still hiking up this four-wheel drive track. If you've got an off-road vehicle, you can actually drive this part of the hike. But I wanted it to be a little bit more challenging, so I opted to hike it. Right, I'm 7.5k's in. Now I'm on the campground walking track, and it is quite the incline. Right, I'm 8k's in, and I've just made it to the start of the Eskdale spur track. And I have 3.3k's to get to the summit of Mt BOGONG. Just thought I'd fill one of them out for once, because you never know on these solo trips. So the last big hike I did was the Razorback Trail to the top of Mt FEATHERTOP, which is the second tallest mountain in Victoria. That was about 24k's. I shot a video of that back in December if you want to check that out. I'll put the link in the description. But yeah, amazing hike, spectacular views. Would do it again in a heartbeat. This certainly requires a high level of fitness. Alright, I'm 10.5k's in. I might just send the drone up, just get a bit of a rough idea of where I am. Wow, it is looking pretty epic from the drone's point of view. I cannot wait to get up there. This is going to be awesome. Alright, and I've made it to Mitchell Hut. You can actually camp up here. This is typically an overnight hike, but I like to try and smash it out in a day. Bit more of a challenge. Let's check out this hut. Wow. Fire extinguisher, some saws for wood, critical life-saving equipment. Interesting. Wow, check this out. This would be cool to stay in one night. That is just cool. Logbook. That is so cool. Back to the hike. Finally getting somewhere. 11.6k's in, and it's starting to look pretty magical. Time to head up there. 12.5 k's in, and this view is remarkable. Have a look at it. I've hiked 13 k's and I can see the top. Looks like I'm gonna have this whole mountain to myself. Hell yeah. Rightio, so this is top of Mt BOGONG, Victoria's highest mountain, 1986 metres high. Took about 5 hours to get here, and all up I've hiked about 13 k's. So, but it's all been definitely worth it. The view from up here is absolutely breathtaking. I'm just gonna chill up here a little longer, get a few drone shots, and then start the hike back down the camp. I've still got another 8 k's ahead of me, so let's do it. Alright, I'm heading down the staircase spur track because I'm starting to run out of time. I am absolutely screwed for time, but I just had to stop long here. This looks so incredible. Whoa. Wow. Just wow. Come from all the way up there. I have to get some drone shots. Finally, back at base. Okay, so all up I hiked 23 k's, took 9.5 hours, and I burnt 3,400 calories. Safe to say it was a pretty decent hike. Hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.